Good morning, students. Nice to see you. Okay. So, right, we were discussing the topic statistics, and in the statistics, we are about to enter the second exercise. Okay. So, before entering, yesterday we discussed, in the previous video, we discussed about mode of a raw data and a mode of ungrouped frequency distribution. Similarly, I gave you the formula to the mode of a grouped data. Do you remember the formula? Yes, very good. So, what is the formula? Z is equal to L plus of F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Can you tell me what is L? Very good, Nana. L is equal to lower boundary of modal class. Okay, write down that one, lower boundary of modal class. So, you must know what is a modal class. A class containing a highest frequency, that class is considered as modal class. So, before the formula you write modal class. So, class containing highest frequency is called as modal class. So, highest frequency is 7 and the modal class is very good, that is 40 to 55. So, 40 to 55. Is these classes or exclusive classes? Yes, 25, 40, 55, 70, 85. So, they are continuous classes. So, you call them as the boundaries. So, lower boundary of modal class is 40 to 55, and in this one lower boundary is 40. So, your value is 40. Now, I want you to know F1, F0 and F2. So, what is F1? That is right, highest frequency. Okay, what is the highest frequency here? 7. What is F0? The frequency preceding the highest frequency. So, frequency preceding F1, that is equal to 3. Now, F2 is a frequency succeeding F1, that is equal to 6. Okay. But in the examinations, it is better for you, not necessary to write the explanations. Okay, you just keep it in your mind that the highest frequency is F1, before F1 F0, after F1 that is F2. Is it clear? Now you are going to substitute these values. And what is H here? H is equal to size of class. What is the size of the class? The difference, 25 minus 10, that is 15. Okay, Nana. So, right. Now, we are going to substitute the values here. L is nothing but 40. So, we are going to substitute, that is 40 plus of what is F1? Yes, very good. 7 minus 3 by 2 into 7 minus 3 minus 6, isn't it? Yes. Into H, what is H? 15. Now, what do you get here? That is 40 plus of 7 minus 3, that is 4 into 15 by 7 2s are 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is nothing but 5. So, you get 40 plus of 14, 15 4s, 60 by, and on subtraction you will get 5. So, okay, 5 ones, 5 12s. So, your answer is 52. So, this is the method how you find the mode of a given grouped frequency distribution. Is that clear, everybody? But in the examinations, it is most important. They will ask you, write the formula for the mode of a grouped frequency distribution and explain the terms. You must be able to explain the terms in this order. While you are telling lower boundary of modal class, better you write what is meant by a modal class also. Okay, Nana? Right. Now, we go to the exercise 14.2, the first question, Nana, where in that question it is asked for you to find the mean and modes. You know the method of finding mean, so I am not going to mean again. We just find the mode for the given data there. Okay, age in years and number of patients. That is what exercise 14.2 first question. I am just finding, okay, age, that is in years and number of patients. Clear, guys? Now let us see what is given there to us. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35. Okay, so 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. It's the last one. Yeah, thank you, Nana, thank you. Right. What are the frequencies? 6, 11, 21, 23, 6, 11, 21, 23, and then 14 and 5. 14 and 5. Okay, right. Is it clear? Now you want to find the mode of this given frequency distribution. First of all, you have to identify what is the greater frequency, 23. Take it as F1. And above this one, that is F0. After this one, that is F2. What is the model class here? The class containing highest frequency is called as the model class. So your model class becomes 35 to 45. So 35 to 45. Okay, Nana? Right, right. Very good, very good. Now can you tell me the values? What is H? What is H? The difference between 15 and 5. Very good. That is 10. And now we come here to write the values. What is L? Lower boundary of the model class. What is it? 35. What is F1? 23. What is F0? 21. And F2 is 14. So we are going to substitute all the values there. Okay. Now what do you get here? When you substitute the values, 35 plus of F1 minus F0. F1 is 23 minus 21. 23 minus 21 by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. So you get here 35 plus of 2 into 10 by 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 minus 35. Okay. Now when you subtract, you will get 11. So is equal to 35 plus 20 by 11. 20 by 11, when you divide, what do you get? 35 plus 11 ones are 11. You will get 90. Okay. 0.118, 88. You will get 20. Okay. Again you get 11 ones. Again 11. How much you get? 11, 9, 90. Again 8. Again 1. So on. So 35 plus 1, you will get 36. So 36.8181, so on. Is it clear? This is your answer for the first question. So do mean for this question, Amma. For the first question, you do mean and do the second question as your homework. Okay. The remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Bye.